Hey, we're here in Wrigleyville on Seminary Street, Grayson Seminary, for another apartment tour. We're 1 block north of the ballpark of Wrigley Field and like 2 blocks from the CTA redline. So come on in, we're gonna take a look at this 2-bedroom. Here's a good picture of Wrigley Field. Come on in, take a look. And this is it. This is kind of a smaller 2-bedroom. We'll start off here in the living room. Here's the living room. There's people living here now. There's air conditioning there. Let's back up and we'll go back here and we'll look at bedroom 1. Here's bedroom 1. This is a full-size bed. There's room for a queen or a king. They've got a lot of stuff. There's a closet over there. Backing up here, here's the bathroom. It's full bathroom, tub, shower, toilet. There's a walk-in closet here. It's a big closet in the hallway. There's a second closet in the hallway, so they've got a lot of closet space here. We're back through the living room, and here we are in bedroom 2. This is a big bedroom too, or big enough for, that's a, I believe that's a queen-size bed. So that's it. There's a closet back there. Actually, the closet's over here. And we'll come back out, back to the living room, and there's a view of the outside. Here's the kitchen. It's got nice white cabinets, got a dishwasher, stove, lots of cabinets here. That's a new refrigerator. One of the best features, got a back porch, and you can sit out here. Right here, here's your chair. There's coin laundry downstairs. You can grill down here too. And that's what it looks like. And it's great to live in Wrigleyville. Best neighborhood in Chicago. Have a great day.